In this video, I'm going to show you the best no-code AI website builders you can use right away. These are AI tools that you can use to build a complete website, and you can either import it into WordPress or you can use it to sell a pitch to your client. So I'm going to show you right away. By the way, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, and Shopify. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, digital marketing, and web design. If these are things you love, please subscribe to my channel. The number one on my list is Lovable. Lovable is an AI tool that you can use to build a website with just typing your prompts. You can come here and type your prompt. Just paste your prompt. You want to build this particular website, and it will do justice to that. If you want to create an account, it's quite simple. I'm going to do that right away. I just want to quickly show you that this is one of the best AI no-code website builders you can actually use. So if you want to know how much, it is completely free, but then you can decide to upgrade. It has a free version, it has a pro version as well you can use, and the pro version gives you access to 100 credits. You might want to start with the free version to build a lot of websites, and I'm going to give you a secret to do all of this. If you want to actually build a website with any of these no-code AI tools, please get your prompts from ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT to give you a perfect prompt. Copy that prompt, come here and paste it. So that is basically what you can do. And the number two on my list is called Replit. Replit is another AI no-code web design tool you can use. Just come here and paste your prompt as well, and it will start actually giving you exact website you want to create. So that is that. You can actually see the number three on my list is Relume. I've actually used this particular one. I forget. Let me actually go back to Replit. You can go to the pricing section to see if it is actually what you would want to go into. It has a free version which you can use and decide to upgrade if you want. The number three on my list, which is Relume. I've used Relume. One thing I love about Relume is that it's going to give you the perfect wireframe you need. Let me see if I can log into Relume. I have an account with Relume, not on this particular browser, but then it is a superb AI tool that you would want to try out. And if you want me to do a video using these tools to build a website, just type it in the comment section and say, Faith, teach me how to use Relume to build a website. Teach me how to use Lovable. Teach me how to use Replit, and I will do a detailed video teaching you how to do that right away. Let's see the pricing. What does it cost to use Relume? Right, Relume is free. Then it starts with $18 per month for one person. If you want to try it out, you can go ahead and try it out. I'm not affiliated with any of these. I just want to show you what is currently in vogue, what we are using, and what others are using, so that you can actually use it. Number four on my list is Hostinger AI website builder. I've used this particular one, and it's quite simple. And one thing I love about Hostinger AI is that you don't need to go to the extent of buying domain differently, buying a hosting differently to actually host your website. Hostinger does everything for you. Hosting has domain and also has an AI builder which you can use for absolutely free. This particular one has a free trial you can try. It has a 14-day free trial which you can actually do with no credit card required. If you want to try it out, I'll also leave the link in the description so that you can try it out, purchase your domain and hosting, and then you can use Hostinger AI. If you purchase domain and hosting, getting the AI builder is free. But then if you decide to go for Hostinger Horizon, that is where you have to start with the free trial and then upgrade later if you want. And then Open Cloud, you can see that Hostinger is loaded with a lot of services. The AI builder is there, e-commerce website builder is there, Horizon for launching your web applications is there. You have VPS hosting, you have domain search, a lot of things, business name. This is all in one platform. You see cloud hosting, web hosting, agency hosting. You can do a whole lot. So I will leave the link to Hostinger so that you can actually explore it and go for it. The number five on my list is Hostinger Horizon. I've also mentioned it before. This particular tool is for building web applications, SaaS tools. If you have a SaaS tool you want to build, you can start by chatting with AI and it will do perfectly that for you. All you have to do is just to come here and sign up. I'll also leave the link in the description of my video so that you can actually sign up and start using any of these no-code tools to build your website. As you can see it here, these are AI tools that Hostinger has for you: the website builder, e-commerce website builder, Horizon for web app. This is for e-commerce. This is for any kind of website, simple websites you can build. These are things you can do without lifting a finger. And if you love my video, please give this video a thumbs up, and also in the comment section let me know what video you want me to make for you in this AI era, and I will teach you exactly how to do that. See you in my next video.